Hello and welcome back to N Squared. Today I will be building an LED blinking Empire State Building from the kit linked in the description. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is bend one of the resistor's legs about 90 degrees and put it over one of the 5 rectangular marks running down the middle of the building. It doesn't matter which one because all of the resistors are the same. Then, bend the resistor's legs so that it won't fall out of the board when turned upside down. I'm going to put in another resistor the same way. Now bring your board to a soldering station and solder both resistors in place. I found this nice kit with a magnifying glass and lights linked in the description if by chance you don't have a soldering station yourself. Then, cut the legs off just above the solder. You need to wear some sort of eye protection when you do this. Normal glasses will do. The legs will fly off in any direction, and I've had some bounce off my glasses when I did this. One even hit the camera as well, so safety first. Now do the same thing with the rest of the resistors. After you've done that, put the microcontroller over the larger mark under the resistors. Make sure it is oriented the right way before soldering it. The indent on the end of the chip should be over the indent drawn on the board. Then, move the board onto the soldering station and make sure the microcontroller won't fall off the board. Then, solder the controller to the board. You won't have to cut off any of the legs after doing this because they are so short. Now for the LEDs. The orientation is important, so pay attention. This is the longer leg of this LED. After it is put in the board, it should be the left leg, this one here. Also, the flat edges of the LED should both be on the left side. Now bend the legs and put the other LEDs in the board. Once again, move the board back to the soldering station and solder the LEDs to the board. I went ahead and soldered the battery holder and the switch in place as well, but it should be obvious where they go. So, finally, put the battery in place. This step is easy. Just put the flat side of the battery, give me a second. Okay, you put the flat side facing outward so you can see it. Simple as that. Anyone can do it. Now, all that's left is to turn the Empire State Building on. So turn it on and turn the lights off and you have your own miniature Empire State Building. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider liking, favoriting, and sharing it. Subscribe so you can catch all the amazing robotics, electronics, and 3D printing projects I have planned. Also comment on what you liked and what you didn't so I can make future videos even better. Thanks for watching.